going on, JB fam? We is back with another video. You already know what it is. You already know what to do. If you ain't made no money today, stop watching this video, get your ass up, and go make some money. Simple as that. But hey, I hope y'all had a good day, man. We chilling today. We're gonna react to another video. Today we talking about, but this man got into a shootout with the SWAT team on some Black Ops 6 type shit. No cap. So hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all sit back, grab you a blunt, grab you a popcorn, little bed, you know, a little water, stay hydrated. You feel me? And let's lock into the video, man. Dude, these niggas got drones? Yo, they got a drone on, cuz. Not going. Hello. He looking at me like I did it. Oh, shit. He finna shoot some big shit on bro. Oh, y'all see that shit on the table? This nigga got a damn 50 BMG. But that shit shoots straight through cars. Oh, bro, depending on what type of ammo he got, that shit is shoot through a damn tank. Bro.
You are under arrest. You need to come to the front door with nothing in your hands.
Oh, shit.
Yep.
Damn.
Let Augie put it out. 877, he just shot at us with an old gun. You guys are alright?
Yeah, for right now. He finna be up on that thing. And he gonna hit something.
He still got his gun pointed at us.
Come to the front door with nothing in your hands. Show us that you don't want to hurt anybody out here. Show us that you can be safe.
He ain't trying to hear none of that, bro. He said, I'm not going to jail. I'm killing everybody. Me included.
Okay, that's the front window's going.
Yeah, it's going.
It's going.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going.
Back up.
Y'all better bail out.
To the right. From we have to leave. Our front winch just shattered.
But ain't it? Ooh, they ain't that big, that SWAT truck too.
You're good. You're good. Alright, I know. Just keep going down, or? No. I need you to back up into this avenue here. Okay. We need to stay on feet best we can.
I ain't gonna lie. Boy, if he would have hit that window one more time, that nigga in the front seat would have been.
He's wearing a helmet and I think a gas mask.
See if he's Reagan.
He's not going.
That's pretty sad. He's got a helmet on and it looks like a gas mask.
Who is this nigga?
Sierra 3, gone away.
He went down. He's down in the 3-side slider.
Suspect is down, 3-side slider.
Oh. Damn. Oh. Oh. They left that nigga slump. I don't know why he was shooting from a damn doorway though. He really should have been shooting out of that. No cap. What in the world? 12 got drones now, bro. Oh shit. That's where he was shooting out of. Damn! Yo, he got 5 for days. bruh, he got another rifle. And what is that right there? That look like some Call of Duty. And then he got a 1911 on the bed. Who was this guy? This is John Wick. Oh, bro, this is John Wick, bruh. There's no way. Yo! Y'all see that fat ass bullet? And he got a bull pump shotgun? Bro. What in the world, bruh? But that's a bro, that is a 50 BMG. He gotta be ex-military, bro. Cause on gang, they just don't be selling them shits. On God. Bro, what? Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've never seen somebody with a 50 BMG that wasn't like a military video, bro. Like, bro, but them bullets, bro, for size comparison, bro, like, I don't even, but them bullets is like that big, bro. No cap. Like, that shit is big as my damn phone. Like, them shits, I heard, it was some video, bro, like, they said, even if it don't hit you, if it, like, go past your arm, bro, that shit'll rip your arm off. No cap. Like, he shooting at 12 of that. Hey, bro. Y'all seen what happened. So, hey, y'all got to the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Tap into my clothing brand, JungleBredClothing. Link is in the description. Stay blessed. Stay out the way. Stay with some money. Other than that, JBsiah, we out.